Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Beauty Oliver. I'm a daycare provider in Southern California for about 3 years now. I'm talking to you guys today about Parent Handbook. This is a guide for you and the parent to have a written and verbal agreement about your tuition, about the children, about rules in your daycare. So this is very important. So before you start your daycare handbook, I'll suggest you write things down that's important to you. So when I did mine, my important thing for me, I know it's really funny, but vacation time, you know, as a daycare provider, we're with the kids all day long, every single day. So it's very important for daycare providers to have a break. So I do have 1 full week off during the summertime, and I have the major holidays off, like Veterans Day, Martin Luther King Day, 4th of July, things like that. I do take 2 weeks off for Christmas and 4 days off for Thanksgiving. So when parents come by for a tour, I make sure I sit down with them with my handbook to go over every little detail, every page of my handbook, so no confusion, and you and the parents have the same understanding about what you expect as a daycare provider, and there's no miscommunication in the future. They can go and refer back to their handbook. And I do make sure that I give the parents copies of the handbook after they have signed everything. So like I said before, one thing for me that's important is having holidays off. And some of my holidays off, like I told you guys before, are with pay and some are not. I try to be fair with the parents. Also too, for my policies, if my children are supposed to be here full days, like Monday through Friday, I do make sure that I'm still going to get paid. So if the child is homesick or if the child is on vacation, I still get paid. But if I have vacation time, I tell the parents don't worry about it. You know, they don't have to pay me for that week. Or if I'm sick, they do not pay me. Also, another important thing to have is tuition. So what I did, I called around my local area where I live to see what other people in my area are charging for daycare. And then I sort of, you know, also put into what I actually do in my daycare. So I offer a lot of different things in my daycare. I offer summer programs. I do cook 3 times a day. So I make breakfast, lunch, and 2 snacks. And also too, I provide wipes. I also potty train. I have Montessori in my program. I do a little bit of sign language. We do different like music and movement, baking, science. And most of my twos right now, if you can't believe it, most of my twos, they can read. So I feel like my program is very, I have like a lot of different things I offer in my daycare. So I'm gonna charge a little bit more. So after I have figured out how much I'm gonna charge my daycare, I do put that in my handbook. I make sure at the time of my tour that the parent's okay with that and explain to them how much it is per week. And also too, guys, when I was learning how to start my home daycare, I used to get paid every Friday. No. You know why? Because you'll have a kid come Monday through Friday. That Friday comes and they won't pay you. So what I have learned out through the years, I make sure I get paid every Monday. So I get paid Monday, and then that child's here Monday through Friday. And if they leave without a word, I still got paid. So that helps me out. So that's a very important thing. If you're gonna get paid weekly, get paid on Monday, please. That has helped me out a lot. Third, which is really important in my daycare, is illness. So if a child to me has a clear runny nose, a little cough, it's okay for you to come in my daycare. I do sanitize every single night and in the morning. But if they have a green or yellow discharge coming from their nose, or they have a rash, a fever, they're throwing up 3 times, they have diarrhea 3 times, they have a pink eye, I will say no, you cannot come, because I want to make sure that I'm not sick and you're not, you know, spreading germs to other kids in my program. And this right here is all included in my my handbook. So like I said before, no miscommunication for you and the parent. Next, it's a good idea to have in your program is late fees, which I include that in tuition. So if I get a check and it bounces, there's a $25 fee for that. Or let's say the parent is coming late every single day. I do charge a fee. I have a grace period of 10 minutes after I'm closed, because sometimes there's traffic or things happen. But after that 10 minutes grace, I do have a $10 fee plus a $1 per minute every time you're late. So that helps you out, and I think it helps the parents to come on time. They don't want to pay that. So like I said, really think about what you want in your daycare, because this is your business. You're the boss, not the parents, right? So you want to make sure that you are very clear in your handbook and what you want. Like I said before, when you have a tour, please go over your plan about what you want in your daycare, and make sure you talk to the parents about that. And after you have your tour, do you have any questions? Do you understand my handbook? Take it home, look over. If you have any questions, please give me a call or text me. And like I said, I haven't had any problems since then. So I hope this information has helped you guys. And later also, I will show you a little piece of my handbook to show you how I have put everything together. Hey you guys, it's almost Friday, right? It's the middle of the week, it's Wednesday. So you guys have a blessed day, and talk to you soon. Bye.